Lessons we learned in the past year. China won the Third World War without firing any missile. Europeans are not as educated as they appear. Rich peoples are in fact less immune than poor. No priest, sheikh, ustad, or astrologers could save any patient. Health professionals are worth more than football legends. Animals most likely feel the same way in the zoo as we do in quarantine. The planet regenerates quickly without human interference. Oil is worthless in society without consumption. Majority of people can comfortably work from houses. Everyone can survive without junk food. Living a hygienic life is not at all difficult. Men can cook too. Media is full of nonsense. Actors are just entertainers, not heroes. Life is so fragile. Handle with care.